Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. This price action is really gradual and a bit shallow, since market still calling in some range after hitting some significant support around the 50% area of this thrusting move to the upside. That is also some conjunction of the different pivot points, different levels. So market was taking the pause in the downside move, showing some number of the overlapping trading sessions, show some consolidation in that area. Still, yesterday we have said that there are two levels that could be very significant for us in the short-term perspective. First level is this low, since if market after some consolidation will break it to the downside and continue move to the downside, that will tell us that probably will not be any more significant retracement to the upside. Until this level holds, I believe that market still could reach the 618 resistance. On the daily time frame, it's really difficult to add something new to the previous comments. Just what could we say, that market has retested the weekly pivot point yesterday by this price action and holds above this area. So that is relatively positive sign, relatively bullish sign that some sort of the bullish sentiment still holds, since market stands above as weekly pivot point, blue line as monthly pivot point, that is gold line in this chart. Most interesting picture for us is on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? That is our yesterday's suggestion that probably market could show this ABCD pattern, since if it will be a very harmonic, this really show the agreement with the 130.30 area, the 618 resistance, with that swing to the downside. That could be. Also, we have discussed this some sort of the bit unshapy the head and shoulders pattern. Although it's not pattern of my kind, so I do not like such sort of the patterns that by shape it gives some hint on the potential head and shoulders. So that left shoulder is some sort of the head, right shoulder, but as I said yesterday, I prefer to watch on this price action only on the some sort of the ABCD pattern. Another moment that we have taken a look yesterday is that potential of the stop grabber that could appear on this price action, and that has really happened. So you can see market has formed a stop grabber here. It's trying to shift trend to the bear side but failed, and this pattern treats usually as value pattern in work until market will take it out this low, and that hasn't happened yet. This low is 128.77 and all sideways price action stands above this area. Also in this area, the small area, we see very small positive dynamic pressure, bullish dynamic pressure. Why? Because you can see that trend by these 4 bars was bearish. As you can see, market stands below the red line, below the MACD predictor indicator, but price action was bullish. That is the hidden bullish power of the market. When the price action doesn't support trend, this tells about hidden strength. Although usually such sort of the price action, it's more desirable to see it in the longer term and a bit stronger than just by 3-4 bars on the 4-hour time frame. But still, that's in fact the same. So that is indication of the bullish dynamic pressure right here. Well, and now you can see that market has continued to the upside and has shifted trend to the bullish side again. So that overall situation on the 4-hour time frame looks bullish for me. and I suppose that market should at minimum take out these highs. Although I can't exclude that this really will reach the 130.30 area, as I said. Well, on the hourly time frame, we have, first of all, our level that we have specified is around 128.66 holds. Market not quite reached it, and stopped just some few pips above it. And that is significant, since market hasn't break this level to the downside, and what even more important, that market hasn't taken out these lows. That's very significant for us in the short term as well. Currently we have some different patterns that point on approximately the same area. First of all, as I said, this ABCD pattern that we have discussed on the 4-hour time frame. Its target is around 130.40 area, slightly higher than the 130.30 level. Also, that could be the butterfly sale on the hourly time frame. Some of our forumers already have discussed this pattern, and 1618 extension of this butterfly stands slightly lower than 130.30 area, but we could say that almost the same area and different resistance levels, different kind of the resistances coincide in approximately in the same tight range. It's around 130.25, 130.40 area. That's significant. But another reason why this butterfly could be important for us. Recall what we have discussed on the weekly time frame. We said that on the daily time frame we expect some deeper retracement to the downside, approximate to the 618 or 50% at minimum of that swing, and we expect some sort of the ABCD pattern by multiple reasons that we have talked about in our weekly research on the forum for a couple of weeks, I suppose, already. That's why this butterfly on the hourly time frame could be significant, since that could become the triggering pattern for the entering on the short side of the market. Since market on the daily time frame will show the reasonable retracement, that is 618 resistance, that's rather deep retracement, that's quite sufficient as the response on the previous trend on the daily time frame. So market by the momentum will hit the 30.30 area, and why not to try entering on the short side of the market with this butterfly, because this could be the triggering pattern and the downward solid continuations in an area of the 125-126 area. So that the moment that we have to keep in mind and be ready to act depending on how this price action will develop. If we will see some sort of the gradual move to the upside, how it holds in the current week, okay, so this will be some sort of this price action that will be absolutely suitable for trying to enter on the short side of the market, and we will definitely discuss this moment if our suggestions will be completed, and if market indeed will reach the 130 area will accomplish this ABCD pattern and butterfly pattern. By the way, the ABCD pattern, if it will be rather gradual, as it's shown on the 4-hour time frame, will be acceptable for entering on the short side per se, since the ABCD pattern is also a pattern that could trigger the reversal on the chart on the market. So currently situation is very interesting on the euro currency. If you have long positions, you could keep it, I suppose, since as we said, market still has some bullish sentiment on the intraday charts, and current price action absolutely doesn't exclude the possibility of reaching that 618 resistance around 130.30 area on the daily time frame on the intraday charts. Next moment that we will start to discuss, if this will happen, if market will show this retracement, is the potential for entry on the short side of the market to catch the deeper retracement on the daily time frame.